Yeah, YouTube. Today's gonna be a vlog. Just an HVAC vlog. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go to Connecticut right now. We're doing two condos there, so I'll just be vlogging, showing you guys what I'm gonna be doing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, stay tuned. Yes, I gotta bring all these materials up on the second floor. That's where we're gonna be working. So, yeah, guys, this is the house, new construction. Let's get it. Yeah, guys. So basically, we're gonna be installing some boots today. Well, we did a few boots upstairs already. Let me show you what's up. We're gonna be installing some boots. Coming from the basement, but we already did some work up here on the second floor already, so I'm gonna show you guys what's up. So let's go. This is the third floor. So we just started this job like about 2 days ago, maybe last week Thursday. So we did a few duct work, a little bit of duct work. So this is the supply. So it's supplying air to those boots right there, going downstairs for the second floor. This is really attic, really. So yeah, the unit is gonna go right here. We're gonna be installing geothermal units, I guess. So from this duct right here, we're gonna run some more ducts going that way. But we gotta wait on the carpenters to finish doing this side so we could run the ducts. Cause as you can see, this side is open. Yeah, it's kind of cold, that's why I'm talking like this. But yeah, we're getting there. So we have like 6 boots downstairs that we installed already, and this is another boot right here, and one going downstairs. So yep. Well, quick reminder: always must stick your joints. That way, you don't have less airflow. So always make sure you must stick your joints. We use these tapes. This tape is very good. So yeah, guys. So in this part of the video, what I'm basically doing, I'm using the tape to tape the joints, making sure everything is properly sealed. So whenever you're doing ductwork, you gotta always make sure all your connections that you make are properly sealed. So whenever you do a pressure test, you don't have any leaks, and you can't have no air leaks when you're pressure testing. So I was just basically taping all the joints. Now I'm gonna be putting the boot up, so my partner upstairs, he could knock it into place and make sure that it's properly secured. After making this connection, I'm gonna be putting some round pipe, some 7-inch round pipe to it, and that should be it. So we already installed one boot, so now I'm gonna install the second one. My partner is upstairs, he's gonna be knocking the roofing nails inside. Yeah guys, so I just finished running this round pipe coming from that boot. So you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it. So I just finished running 15 feet of round pipe coming from that boot. So now I'm gonna do the same thing with those 3 pieces over on this side, coming from there. That's what we're basically doing right now. Right now we're gonna be putting up some round pipe. This is the round pipe. You put 2 of them together, you screw it, tape it. It's pretty easy, you just snap it together, you know what I'm saying? So that's it. This is a 7-inch round pipe. So all you're doing is just putting 2 together, put the flex over it, and just putting it up. It's quite easy. So this run out is finished. So I made the connections. So now I gotta probably put that straight boot up, 12x4x7 straight boot going right there. So yeah, so this is the last part of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.